Since the onset of COVID-19, the health and safety of our residents, our caregivers, and our staff is our top priority. Since March, we have followed all CDC guidelines, we've updated our safety protocols, and implemented wearing all protective gear, PPE, from the very beginning. We also asked all our employees to sign a safety pledge, committing to do all that they can do to minimize their exposure to COVID-19. We also purchased disinfectant foggers that we use daily to minimize any potential virus that might be on surfaces. The upgrade that we've done with the HVAC system is in our assisted living locations. From a layperson standpoint, there are large particles that I think are transmitted, within the 6 feet of someone else, but yet they're saying that there's smaller particles that can spread throughout a space, and that is why I felt that this technology will neutralize the virus in the small particles. We decided to spend $100,000 to install this technology in all our buildings in the common areas as an additional layer of defense of all the other things that we're doing. The UW-Madison healthcare system is using the same technology, and we just felt that this is something that is out there and can be very effective.
When we specifically talk about SARS-CoV-2, we're talking about inactivating it, and the process of inactivating it, because SARS-CoV-2 has an RNA structure, we actually disrupt the RNA code of the virus. And at that point where we disrupt that code, then the virus can no longer replicate, and it immediately changes classification as being inactivated. Therefore, when it enters a host cell, one of our cells, it cannot replicate, and so it's benign at that point.
So as soon as I found out about this technology, and having done the research about the small particles, and knowing that the winter is coming up, I immediately said we have to do what we can do. And the $100,000 investment is minimal compared to saving lives and preventing the spread of this awful virus. Heritage is committed to be state-of-the-art, and we're always looking for the possible newest technologies that can actually prevent this disease from getting spread, and anything else we can do that can protect the lives of our most vulnerable senior citizens is what we're out to do.